Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. Today is Wednesday, August 21st, 2024. Right now it's 9 p.m. So the future opened yesterday, and at 6 o'clock it came back down a bit, but it kind of just stayed within this opening zone, and later it broke higher, and then after that it broke higher above the opening zone. It basically making higher and higher, and it get all the way to the this one is the midpoint between the high of yesterday and the low of today. So it stopped right there and come back down to this opening center spot. So yeah, it's very close. So apparently when it get down to this level, it's a flashing lots of these arrows, and seems like pretty bullish kind of going up. And yeah, that's kind of 4 or 5 o'clock, and till lasted till 6 o'clock ish, and later it come back up and going higher and higher, and if we switch over to the S&P 500 index, when it opened, so it opened up by less than 6 points, so not a whole lot, but it seems like it's going reaching up higher, and later it came back down to this to the opening spot. It actually went lower, but pretty violent. It quickly went higher, and this is what time is it? This is 10:44. It went to kind of basically this spot is from the close of yesterday. That's it ran 35 points, so it actually went over. It's above that, and that's in many sense that's a sign that's going pretty strong, because it was able to break above. However, it seems that the energy was used to pushing down rather than going further up, and it went back down and come back to pretty much to the closing of yesterday, and from there it went up again, and did not quite get to the middle, but almost still, and from there, and it basically it had another kind of push down here, that which is pretty violent, and this is at 12 o'clock, and it almost kind of seems like I want to go back down to here, like a 55, 85, or possibly even lower, but it came back and quickly and came back above this base, 55 97. That's the closing level, and from there it just kind of rolling back up and really quickly, and this is at 2 o'clock, so it came back almost kind of to the high, and as we can see here, at when it get to 11 149 ish, it kind of it went above, and before that it kind of basically kind of chopping around this kind of midpoint here. So it went above and it go even higher. It actually from the low to high here it made like 32 points, 35 points, actually more than that. But it's a pretty violent, and it came back down but very quickly, and later resuming and continue to move downhill. And these are 56.28 to this 56.04-ish. So we're talking about like 24 points move. And if we go from here to here, that's kind of what the 28 points move. The thing is, it went back up quickly and stabilized here, and really chopping a lot kind of for quite some time around here, this zone. But later it kind of chose to went back up and close at this 56.20 level. That's kind of like that's actually, it turns out that's actually the high of yesterday. So I would say, yeah, for the closing like this is really strong, and apparently kind of pretty violent. And the thing is that it seems like it make a very clear choice in terms of which side they want to go after such a volatile session. And certainly it looks bullish. And the future already open, and it actually went above the opening zone pretty quickly, and it came back down. It's similar to yesterday, it seems like, as of right now. So it came back down, tested this center, and then and now come back and make the new high here. And now this is one other wave coming back down. But pretty much is staying above this midpoint here. So 54.47, yeah, to 54.43. That's not a whole lot of retrace. Although like on the chart it seems like a lot, but really it's not a whole lot. So let's look at the tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday, and the first thing is the 8:30. The Chicago like a Fed National Activity Index, initial jobless claim, basic job data, and also 9:45 it comes like a S&P Global Composite PMI flash, and yeah, manufacturing and services PMI data, and then 10 o'clock is the consumer confidence. Oh, that's not in US, sorry. But 10 o'clock that's like a home sales data, and also natural gas inventory. And at 11 o'clock it comes some data coming from Kansas Fed, have the composite index and manufacturing index. 11:30 there's a treasury bill auctions, and then at 12 o'clock there are like a mortgage data, and also 1 o'clock. Basically, there's a mortgage rate. Sorry, and 1 o'clock is tips auction, and after the market close is Fed balance sheet. So tomorrow it could be. There are quite some data here. It'll be interesting to see how things are going to go tomorrow. But one thing for sure is Friday, Fed Chair Powell speech. That's at 10 o'clock. So probably everything would be waiting for that. The question is that it seems like the market really want to make a new high. Would that be kind of rush to make a new high before the Fed chairman's speech, or after that? That would be interesting. So tomorrow the market could run say 40 points, and if it's wild, then it could be double. It could be like 80 points. So, but let's say 40 points. So 40 points, that's right around the new high. So that's a pretty reasonable expectation, and very likely it could make that happen to hit the new high tomorrow before the Fed chair's speech on Friday. And then on the downside, apparently 40 points down push, that would be around 55, 80 level. So it'll be interesting to see how things are going to go. And as of right now, it looks pretty, I would say it looks like pretty bullish. Thank you. That's all I have to share. Wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all the time.